Differences and similarities between correlation and regression. Difference between correlation and regression. Regression establishes how x causes y to change and the result will change if the x and y are swapped. With correlation, x and y are variables that can be interchanged and get the same result. Correlation is a single statistic or a data point, whereas regression is the entire equation with all the data points that are represented with a line. Correlation shows the relationship between two variables, while regression allows us to see how one affects the other. The data shown with regression establishes a cause and effect. When one changes, so does the other, and not always the same direction. With the correlation, the variables move together. Similarities between correlation and regression. Both work to quantify the direction and strength of the relationship between two numerical variables. Anytime the correlation is negative, the regression slope will also be negative. Anytime the correlation is positive, the regression slope will be positive. Comparison between correlation and regression when to use. In correlation, when summarizing direct relationship between two variables. In regression, to predict or explain numerical response. In both correlation and regression, they are able to quantify direction of relationship, and in both correlation and regression they are able to quantify strength of relationship, while in correlation it is not able to show cause and effect, while in regression it is able to show cause and effect. In correlation it is not able to predict and optimize, but in regression it can be predict and optimize. In correlation x and y can be interchangeable, but in regression it cannot be interchangeable. In correlation it doesn't uses a mathematical equation. In regression it uses a regression line equation called y equal to a plus bx. Thank you.